guys, welcome back to Chatterbox. Today I'm going to do my makeup and I'm going to look like a fairy princess. So let's get started. And first I'm going to use some sunscreen or you can use some moisturizing cream, but I'm using sunscreen because I'm going out after. So that's why I'm going to squirt it. Enough. Okay, that should be enough. I'm gonna do little dots. You don't have to use sunscreen. You can if you want. I just don't want to get burnt from the sun, so I'm going some screen, and it also helps for my face. So this sunscreen is really good. It blends in well. Blends in really well in the skin. So this sunscreen is really good. So I didn't even know this sunscreen would work so well, so I tried it out and it works amazing for my liking. So yeah. Now I'm gonna put some powder. So the powder is here. I'm gonna rub it on my face. Feels very creamy. I'm gonna blend the powder all in my skin. And I chose this brush because it's big and it like blends it all in my face. I'm gonna use my mirror. My mirror has like this Minnie Mouse. See? You can even show me in the accurate mirror thing. We're gonna do some blush. So this is the brush I'm gonna use for the blush. And which side? Or should I just use this sponge directly? Maybe I should. Because my cheeks are supposed to look pink. Wow, it looks so red in the camera. It's not that red in actual. And I'm going to use this brush to smoothen it out. How come my lips are red? Aha, that eyeshadow. Oh, I'm gonna use these shimmery eye things. Let's see. Gonna use my lid up here, and you can also try it. I used this eyeshadow for my birthday. And I'm also gonna dip it in this little pink area. Dip it into that same pink. Get more pink on this other eye. Right here. And a little bit on my cheeks. A bit gliding so you can really see. There! Lovely. I'm gonna use this red lipstick. The red one. And we'll make it too red. Whoa. This is a very red lipstick, so I'm going to use this to lighten it up. There. And I'm going to use this to lighten it out so that it doesn't look too dark. And see how it's turning out black. It's all pink now. Turning pink. So there, and then I'm gonna use this glittery lip gloss and I'm gonna do over it. Still has this tag on it. It's new. So I'm gonna take a teeny bit and put it on the lips. To make it shine. There. Now, last thing is to put my fake nails. So these are my rainbow butterfly press-on nails. They're 20, and I'm gonna put them on. So my left hand goes first. So it's this. I'm gonna put it on my left hand. There. And then okay. I'm gonna close the box and then show you. Okay. Look, guys. Do you like my nails? I got these. I'm not sure where I got these, but I think I got them at Priceline. Rousel Townsend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, and I hope you like my makeup. Bye.